What if aging wasn't inevitable? Scientists are exploring ways to slow, stop, or even reverse aging. From genetic breakthroughs to cutting-edge technology, let's dive into the science of longevity and what it means for the future of human health. Aging happens due to cellular damage, DNA mutations, and the shortening of telomeres. But what if we could slow this process? Researchers are unlocking secrets that may one day let us extend life. What do you think? Should we try to slow aging? Share your thoughts in the comments. Scientists are working on revolutionary treatments like senolytics to remove aging cells, stem cell therapy to regenerate tissues, and gene editing to slow biological decline. Could these be the key to living longer and healthier? Let us know your opinion below. Wearable devices now track aging markers. AI analyzes biological age, and personalized medicine offers targeted anti-aging solutions. Some people are even using biohacking to slow their aging process. Would you try biohacking? Tell us in the comments. Science shows that diet, exercise, sleep, and stress management play major roles in longevity. From fasting to supplements like NMN and resveratrol, small lifestyle changes can make a big impact. Which anti-aging habit do you follow? Drop a comment below. The science of longevity is advancing fast, and we may soon see a world where aging is just another treatable condition. If you found this video interesting, subscribe for more deep dives into health and technology. See you in the next one.